Hi everyone. In this video I am going to explain you about the motility cell organelles of cell cilia and flagella. Cilia singular cilium and flagella singular flagella. These two are hair-like outgrowths of the cell membrane. Cilia are small structures which work like oars, causing the movement of either the cell or the surrounding fluid. Flagella are comparatively longer and responsible for cell movement. The bacteria, which is prokaryotic cell, also possesses flagella, but these are structurally different from that the eukaryotic flagella. Cilia and flagella. Cilia singular cilium, flagella singular flagellum. Both are hair-like outgrowths which are originated from cell membrane, which are responsible for movement. Cilia are small structures which works like oars, but flagella are longer and they shows independent work. The bacteria contains flagella, but they shows difference when compared to eukaryotic flagella. The electron microscopic studies of cilium or the flagellum shows that they are covered with plasma membrane. Their core, called the axonium, possesses a number of microtubules running parallel to the long axis. The axonium usually has 9 doublets of radially arranged peripheral microtubules and a pair of centrally located microtubules. Such an arrangement of axonal microtubules is referred to as the 9+2 array, which means 9 doublets and 2 singlets. 9+2 arrangement. Under electron microscope, both cilia and flagella covered by plasma membrane. The core of the cilia or flagella called axonium. Axonium possesses 9 doublets which are arranged radially and 2 singlets or pair of singlets present in the center. This type of arrangement is called 9+2 arrangement. 9 doublets peripherally, 2 singlets at the center, which is called 9+2 arrangement. The arms of tubules consists of an enzymatic protein called dynein, which is similar to myosin of muscle cells. Dynein have the ability of hydrolysis of ATP and liberates energy for ciliary or flagellary movement. The central tubules are connected by bridges and is also enclosed by central sheath, which is connected to one of the tubules of each peripheral doublets by radial spokes. Thus, there are 9 radial spokes. The peripheral doublets are also interconnected by linkers. Both the cilium and flagellum emerge from centriole-like structure called the basal body or blepharoplast. The arms of tubules consists of enzymatic protein called dynein. This dynein protein similar to myosin protein in muscle cells. This dynein protein have the ability to hydrolyze the energy ATP and liberates energy for ciliar or flagellar movement. The central tubules are connected by bridges and is also enclosed by a sheath called central sheath, which is connected to one of the tubules each peripheral doublets by radial spoke. 9 peripheral doublets are present, thus cilia or flagella contains 9 radial spokes. Both the cilium and flagellum emerge from centriole-like structure called basal bodies or blepharoplasts. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of internal structure of cilia or flagella. The core of cilia or flagella called axonium. Within the axonium, they contains 9 doublets peripherally. These 9 doublets contains arms which are made up of dynein proteins. Then In the center, cilia or flagella contains two singlets which are connected by bridge and covered by a sheath called central sheath. And these peripheral doublets connected with central sheath with the help of radial spokes. The cilia are flagella covered by plasma membrane or protoplasmic membrane. Let's see the differences between cilia and flagella. Cilia are small in size, 5 to 10 micrometers. Flagella are long, up to 150 micrometers. The number of cilia per cell is very large in number. The number of flagella very few. Cilia beat in coordinated manner, perpendicular movement, or they works like oar. But in case of flagella, beats independently. This type of movements called undulating movements. Cilia take part in locomotion, attachment, feeding and secretion. But flagella only involved in locomotion. Remember, cilia are small in size but flagella are long. The size of cilia is 5 to 10 micrometers but the flagella size is up to 150 micrometers. Number of cilia per cell is very large. Number of flagella per cell is very few. Cilia beat in coordinated manner but flagella beats independently. Cilia take part in locomotion, attachment, feeding and sensation. But flagella only involved in locomotion. Let's check these differences between cilia and flagella carefully for your better understanding. Up to here, cilia and flagella was completed. In next video, I will explain you about centrosome and microbodies.